10 facts about sharks. Hi, I am a shark and I will tell you 10 facts about me. Fact number 1, I'm one of the top predators in the ocean. With my sharp teeth and incredible speed, I've earned my place as a master of the sea. Fact number 2, my teeth are my pride and joy. If I lose one, no problem, a new one will grow right back. Over my lifetime, I might go through thousands of teeth. Fact number 3, unlike you humans, my skeleton isn't made of bone, it's made of cartilage, which makes me lighter and more flexible, perfect for gliding through the water. Fact number 4, I can sense things you can't imagine. My ampullae of Lorenzini, fancy, huh? Allow me to detect electrical signals from other creatures. It's like having a sixth sense for hunting. Fact number 5, I've got a huge family. There are over 500 species of us, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. We all have our own unique traits. Fact number 6, most of us have to keep swimming to breathe. It's called ram ventilation. Water flows over my gills while I move, delivering oxygen to my body. Fact number 7, I've been around for over 400 million years, long before dinosaurs. I've seen oceans change and adapt to every twist and turn of evolution. Fact number 8, my fins aren't just for looks. They help me steer, balance and maintain stability while I swim. Each one has a job, and together they make me a true ocean acrobat. Fact number 9, I prefer to swim alone, exploring vast stretches of the ocean. I'm a wanderer, always on the move, looking for food and new adventures. Fact number 10, people often fear me, but I'm not the mindless monster they think. I play a crucial role in keeping the ocean's ecosystem balanced by controlling populations of other marine animals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.